So this question is distance between bus stop. So basically you give an integer array and also the starting and the destination. So what you're doing is, traverse the integer array, the distance array, right? So index 0 represent what? The distance between bus stop 0 to 1 is represent 1. So 2 will represent another 3, 4. So this is a distance between bus stops, right? So we have a starting and we have destination. So the distance is not going to just written in the increasing order. It might be just a random order. So we have to know, is the in clockwise is shorter or counterclockwise, right? Is shorter. So you want to basically traverse two ways to get the the shortest distance, right? So this is a trick, like using I+1 mod by n represent length of the integer array to know, even though you are doing the counterclockwise, you are still in the interval, right? You are still in the interval. So I will have a helper function. So I'm going to say public int get distance. So in this helper function, I have the distance array. I have a starting, I have the ending, right? So it simply represents destination if you want to use. Alright, so okay, so I need a result value and I will return result. So for in I equal to starting and then I does not equal to the destination, I will just keep traversal, and I will plus equal to this, right? It's gonna be this guy. So n represent the distance, the length, right? So you're still going to add, increment of 1 per time, but depending on your counterclockwise or clockwise, right? If this is clockwise, it should be easy, just increment 1 by 1, and at some point you'll reach your destination, right? So you are not allowed to say, okay, I less than distance, right? The length. Like you are not allowed to type this one because you might need to, so just for example, so imagine your starting is 3 and your ending is 1, right? So you might, hit, traverse. I mean, this is already the last one, right? Last one in array, index 3. So if you want to traverse the clockwise, you are not going to get the value, the distance value, right? You will access the for loop. So it has to be does not equal to the destination. And then how do we do this? Just plus equal to distance at I. So this would be pretty much the entire solution for the helper function. So if you want to do the clockwise and counterclockwise, it's straightforward. We swap the starting and destination inside the distance, right? So I will have a return max.min get distance. So distance start destination and then comma. So it's going to be exactly the same idea, but you swap the starting to the destination, destination to the start. So this would be the whole entire solution. Alright, I know what happened. So I shouldn't use a plus equal. Just equal, like increment 1 by 1, right? Plus equal, you accumulate every single time, so it's not good. All right, so there's a I just have a typo over here. Whatever. So okay, so this is the time. So all of them, right? Space is constant, so whole entire space is constant. Times all of them, right? You will definitely have one full iteration inside the distance array, right? For the worst case, so it's gonna be all of them. So this is all of them, this is all of them, but they do it separately. So I would say it's all of them. I mean, if you want to say n squared, go ahead, but I don't think it's n squared. It should be all of them. So this will be the solution. Space is constant again times all of them. So if you have question, leave a comment. See you next time. Bye.